Guys, what have I been reduced to? Look at me just here with the flies on my head.
What are you doing with your camera?
I'm filming my boots.
Again? Why?
Because it's so interesting. Bye bye.
Wait,
Yeah.
what?
Do you want to go to the right or the left?
Why?
Hey everyone, I'm bringing the kids out for a ride now. The small one is on her scooter and the big one is on her bicycle. Very proficient at their various activities. Anyway, this town is so nice. It's so ancient. And look at how all the walls are built. I mean, look at how the houses are built. Yeah, it's so interesting. I've actually never been here before. Wow! Some stairs. That's where we came from. Get on the scooter, okay.
Wait, I'm not ready yet.
Okay, you're not ready yet, don't worry. Guys, a bunch of flies are coming to attack me. I don't know, this... Guys, the flies are actually following me around. A lot of flies over there. The flies, the real flies are the ones that are above me right now.
Me?
Me! Look at this! I literally just showered. Okay. Let's go.
Oh, there's too many. This is outside.
Okay, I'll go first. Okay, I'll take one for the team.
No, we're not allowed.
Oh, what do you mean you're not allowed?
There's a lot of flies.
Okay, here are the flies. Okay, Lulu.
And a lot of constriction.
Okay guys, I'm just going to give my life updates right now because there's no other time to do it. Evidently, I'm not a very good babysitter, but let's walk.
No.
No, okay. It's so bumpy. Yeah. Do you want to ride on the right instead?
I don't want to ride it.
You don't want to ride? Okay, just push it then. No.
They're following me. Come on.
Oh, okay, I see it. Oh my, there's so many flies. Okay, no, they're following me now. They're following me, not you. They're following me, don't worry. Guys, what have I been reduced to? Look at me just here with the flies on my head. Okay, should we leave? Or do you want to keep walking? I agree. Okay.
Can you help me?
Okay, don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay, you bring Lulu there. Lulu. Can you hold this? I'll go get her. Oh, you go get her. Guys, the flies are literally following me. Is everything alright with me? But flies literally love me. Okay, I need to solve this problem right now. Don't mind me looking like that right now, but anyway, after a major crying incident, which was really embarrassing because their dad came along and saw me struggling. Me. Oh, it disappeared? Oh, because the ground is dry. Okay, let's go. Lulu. I'll be right back, guys. But look at the scenery. Look at the scenery in the meantime.
Unicorn lost something.
You saw a unicorn? What did the unicorn lose? Oh yeah, part of the green part of the horn.
Yeah.
It's okay. We'll find it and then we'll tell it lost it here. Hello everyone. We're gonna find the unicorn now at the top of that hill right there. Okay. Where the white color things are. I don't know whether they're cows or horses. So.
But I think the unicorn. Look at Tommy's gonna win sheep. But you want to do unicorns? No sheep. Then bye bye. Look at sheep.
Yeah, it's a really lovely day after the rain. Very sunny right now.
Yeah, but I think we can. But I saw the unicorn somewhere when I was working one day here. Last month.
Year?
Last looking when I was watching there.
Mm-hmm.
First I went there and I saw one, and when I came here I saw the fillet. And he went.
I'm literally in France where the kids are soaring every day. But today I went against my principles and slept on my bed in my dirty clothes. I only slept on the outside part. So hopefully I will be fine. But yeah, I was just so tired, you know. Anyway, here are some wipes. I clean this area really well so the germs won't follow me around. Hello. I just caught the fly that's been hovering around my room and bothering me. Amazing work. Meh.
Nah. There was also over there.
Yeah, I see them.
There was also.
Oh, there's a meh there. We're on our morning walk right now, and the kid's mom came home. So the younger kid didn't want to leave her mom. The older kid is a good girl, so we're going to find the green colour part of the unicorn horn that dropped on the ground that day, but we didn't pick it up, but we should pick it up because the mom wants to see it, right?
Yeah.
Yep, so we're going to bring that green part of the unicorn horn back home.
But we don't know where are the unicorns.
Yeah, can you remember where we saw the green colour part?
Yeah.
Okay, she remembers, so she's leading the way and also leading the way to make sure that the flies attack her first.
I have that. No, it was the black. No, the black and white actually.
Oh yeah, wait, actually I haven't seen any black and white cows here yet.
You know, before there was black and white, they were really noisy, then they took away.
Because they were noisy?
Yeah, too noisy. Now we don't have any more cows. And no more horse.
Yeah, I wish there were horses though, it would be nice to touch them.
Before Jean-Claude was having horse.
And then he gave them away?
Yeah, because he need to die, dog need to give food, it's so tired.
Yep, I'm juicier than you, so it will attack me and not you.
Why are you juicy?
Because I'm so big. There's a car? There's a car?
I see it's gonna.
Don't worry. Very good. Okay, we made it. Very good.
Take a big look, like this, big one. Careful.
Hey, big one. Est-ce qu'on a le droit de manger ça? Il y a des équipes.
Ils en avaient 15 là-bas. Oui. C'est normal, c'est rendez-vous d'amour. Ils regardent bien les... Comment ça s'appelle?